guys, welcome back to Farmstead Forge, and today I'm doing one of my favorite things, breathing life into a forgotten tool. So today I'm restoring a set of champion farrier tongs. I found these tongs out on a hunting trip with my girls, and these tongs were found in an old junk pile about a quarter-mile away from my great-grandpa's junk pile. The cool thing is that being neighbors to my great-grandpa, there's a good chance that these tongs could have shod some of my great-grandpa's workhorses. If not, they were very close, and my grandpa probably knew the guy that used them, so that's kind of cool. I would probably size these for half. These are probably already half-inch tongs, sized much like most of the workhorse shoes of the day were and still are. The difference is the older workhorse shoes were a lot narrower than the shoes we would be shoeing workhorses today. This is actually a new old stock mule shoe. It still has some of the slag left on it that hasn't rusted. It's never even been worn off, so it's kind of neat to find a mule shoe from that era that's never been used. You see a lot of blacksmith champion tongs in this country, like this set here, but I've never seen a set of actual farrier tongs. I've seen pictures of them, but I've never found a set, so it'd be pretty cool to get these guys rolling. I also thought I would show you a box of screw-in studs, or cogs, whatever you want to call them. I got these at a garage sale years ago. They still have a coupon in there, and it's really hard to read because of rust spots, but my camera won't make it out, but the naked eye, it expires in around 1909, so pretty cool, brand new, unused studs. Alright, so some guys say just throw in the fire and get them working again. I don't like to do that. I like to just start over and get the re-rivet them for a couple reasons. For one thing, these things are roached. I mean, they are completely welded together from time. And a lot of times the rivets will be wore, so even if you do put them in the fire and get them rolling, working, a lot of times the rust scale and everything, it makes them bind, and then if the rivet's been wore in there, it will have an uneven wear spot on there. This rivet might be kind of fun to get out. It is so rusted in, we might have to re-drill it or something. We'll see. I just like to clean this inside up carefully with a nice expander wheel or something, and just ever so slightly shine that up, and then your tongs won't bind on you. But I'm going to buff all this up really nice, wire wheel it, and it just keeps the rust pitting from kind of burning into itself in the forge. That hole is actually amazing. It's not hardly worn at all.
Can we be in it?
I guess, if you think you need to. I'm not really talking right now, I'm just showing. See my rivet? Doesn't move. Almost there. A little bit. Sure, I got a nice even grab. Just sizing them so they grab my steel right. Whew, yeah, a little hot. And just like that, they're brand new. Boy, you don't find very many things made today that could sit out in a prairie junk pile for 80, 100 years and still be rebuildable and functionable. Functionable? Function. Just like that. We got a nice set of tongs you can shape up some 1/2-inch steel with. 100-year-old set of tongs holding a 100-year-old shoe. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I loved restoring these and getting them back to work. They'll work nice on the tong rack. I don't have a nice set of 1/2-inch tongs here in the shop. I got a nice set in my mobile shop, but not in here. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to keep it simple, and I will catch you guys in the next one.